Okay, we're now going to tackle avatar video creation. Really couldn't be easier. All we need to do is firstly give ourselves a title. So we're going to call this avatar video, and we're going to talk about how avatars are helpful in learning. Okay, that's all we need to do. Once we've done that, you'll see you have the ability then, we've got our course name and title, but you can create a manual script if you want to, or if you want to use that title and description to generate a script, you can do that as well. So here we have our script, that's fully editable. Next up, we choose our avatar. So male, female choices here, and you'll see if we click one and drop down, then we have our voices appropriate to the instructor. So you can choose accents if you wish, and all you need to do is once you're happy with that, you can hear any samples you want, and just go ahead and generate. Awesome. So we've got our video ready now. I should say that does take a few minutes to work through. So if you want to just skip away, you can do it at any stage during the build. But you now have two options. You can add the video directly to your library together with the subtitles if you want to download those. Or you can just go ahead and build your course. So we're going to build the course, and you'll see now very similar to the AI video editor. You have the ability to add different elements, games, quizzes, etc. And then once you're happy with them, you can just go ahead and generate. Awesome. So now we have our video.
Ever thought about using an app?
We have our transcript. We can download the subtitles again if we've forgotten to do that. We've got our game built out. If you want to add any quizzes, you can, as before. If you want to delete any or edit any, you can. And then all you need to do is just create the course. So super simple. You just go through the steps of putting in your title and your description, either generating a script or adding it yourself. Then choose your avatar, choose your voice, choose your games or your quizzes, and press create. And we'll just wait for a second, and then hopefully the course will be here. And there it is. Okay, so as you'd expect, you have your course title, all your details. You have your lesson with all the tags and descriptions, etc. built in. We have the video, we have the quiz and the conclusion, and that's it.